So as you welcome my guys to my channel Techy Roque, and in this video this is the unboxing of flexible mobile holder also. And as you can see, I purchased from Amazon and its price approx 170 rupees. And as you can see, okay, it's very terrible. Okay, as you can see, the 170. Okay, I've saw the unboxing of this product and also use it how to use. And as you can see, let's begin. Let's get into that. Okay, our final product is here and I got a good quality. There's no defect in it, so it's very interesting. And this is the holder that we needed, and that's the mounting place, and they are sponge in it so your phone get no scratch by it. And that's it. This is not soft, it's very hard. With the two clips, first is there, it's also sponge in it, and you can mount it on your bed, on your table, as you can. Your imaging can work on it. How much you can this wire, and by inserting this, and there, that's the lock, and it's 360 as we can say. So now let's begin. I'll make the position of it. You need to take a good position for holding it. Like I have given this a round shape. Okay, I mounted on it on my table, and it's working fine. As you can see, but I not mount the holder in it, and now mount the holder like that by inserting it. You need to do it very safely and softly because it can be broken. Okay, by softly inserting it, it's 360, and this can be your choice where you want to. And you need to tight this for stop the round and fix it the position. Okay, we fix the position and we mounted on it. And that's the sponge, so there's no problem. Okay, and another advantage of this, you can use it a phone stand. That's the holder and that's the stand. Like for a small stand, you need to directly place it and you can work on it. Like that, it's very cool. Yeah. And these are two advantages and two types of holder. This one and the wire one. Okay. And now I've used this in my video. My next videos are made by this device. So let's begin where I purchased in the Amazon. Directly search flexible phone holder and I purchased from the first link. And by this, as you can see, I purchased. You can choose. Okay, thanks for watching my guys. Hope you like my video and enjoyed, and like and subscribe. That's all.